Director General of Goa Police Jaspal Singh had issued a standing order which used to give impression that no police officer other than public relation officer would interact with media for sharing the information regarding the major crimes. But this was hindering the work of crime reporters, and crime reporters protested about it. In view of this, DGP held a meeting with crime reporters and he has agreed to rectify the word only, which used to give impression that only PRO is authorized to speak to media. Jaspal Singh clarified that any officer of the rank of SP and above is not at all banned from talking to media. He said that the necessary changes will be done in the standing order. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.